Hi guys, welcome to this VirtualBox machine thing. It's built with one of the latest ISOs, and the thing I don't think I've ever made a video about how to go back in time. Yes, you can go back in time. Now time shift is something else, and that's also on our ArcoLinux XL. So if you want, you can do that. The system restore utility, which is probably going to be less technical as what I'm going to explain now. Systems always update, right? You see the pop-up at the top. We need this as update, but let's assume that this machine is not okay. And maybe you're even in a TTY, so a black screen. You can still go back. And I'm going to teach you the ArchLinux way of going back in time. To do that, I need to have a browser. Let's see if we can find the URL. Archive, ArchLinux, time, maybe go back in time, I don't know. So need to find some information about this. The ALI, ArchLinux Archive, formerly known as our rollback machine. Okay, stores official repository snapshots, ISO images, bootstrap tarballs across time. So they explain to you what you need to do. There are the repos. We need to have this opened. Open link, that's done. Repos, packages, ISOs, they're all here. And what you're supposed to do is actually change a URL and say, let's define it. Let's go back in time. Now 2014 is a little bit too long ago, right? Let's go a week back or a month back or something, because of course it needs to download all the packages, and it's not a fast server as such. It's an archive server, and there's just that one. So the load of that particular server matters. So this is what we get. That's the archive, robots, text, repos, packages, ISO. So all the ISOs are here if you ever want to have them again. Packages are here by letter. The repos are here by date, 2021. Okay, we're in December 23rd, so we can go back to, for instance, the 1st or the 10th or the 15th. So it's the day. And then this is your URL. This is how to get your packages in. So I do a Control-C already, and I want to go to that particular time because I knew everything was working then, and now it's not. So whether it's graphical or TTY doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go to TTY anyway. And that's the end mirror list. Where is it coming from? From here, from mirror OSBEC, but that's the state of today. I wanna go to the state of a certain period in time, namely, this will be my folders. And I'll ask for the repo, so the variables stay the same, repo, and then, well, we do have to check that. So repo, yes, OS, yes, and then we're off. Okay, so it's the same, repo OS / and then $arch. So all the rest can stay, no problem, but it will take it from the first line anyway. So this is the archive, ArchLinux org repos 2021 12/15. We did a $repo / OS / arch. Can we make this bigger? We can. So you freeze it. That's our decision. Control X, yes, please. And now you type probably update or something, and then nothing will happen. Well, some things will happen already. Warning, 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 because he is looking at a mirror of older packages. So it says you have new stuff, of course, and the new stuff comes in. So that's not the idea. I want to go back in time, so no new stuff. Sudo pacman -s YYUU. So think you're drinking whiskey or something, you're seeing double. Okay, remember YY or yes, and then UU. Okay, and then we're going back in time. Looking for conflicting damages, so downgrading from version to version. downgrading from version to version, so it looks like it's really going to go back in time. Yes, please. So, and the speed of the thing, the archive, the server where all these packages are, is the speed. And that's just one, I think. Unless they created mirrors of it, it will be the way it is, the speed it is. Yeah, these video packages always. Feels like it's frozen, but I guess I just need to wait. In the meantime, I'm on my other computer doing some stuff. There he is. Nice, my friend. Almost there. Allez, go on. Yeah. Sudo reboots. SR Eric. Sudo reboots. Now, we should change something after everything boots. We shouldn't update, right? We shouldn't, just did Control R just to be quick, reset. So since I changed the mirror list, if at some point in time you hear problem is solved or whatever reason, or you solved it, the first line needs to go again. So it's back to the old school. But let's first do an update and see what's going on. Nothing, right? Nothing is going on because we're going back in time, and we have now the first line. I'm gonna save it, Control X, yes, please, and then update it again. Then all the updates come back in because, that's the difference between now and then. Those were the packages we've all got. So another way of changing your, time perspective or your timeline is going back in time and getting the packages that worked for you back then. And there you go. All right, cheers.